हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इन्फिनाइट इंस्पिरेशन। मैं चंदा दुर्गानी आपके साथ एक नए गेस्ट के साथ हर बार की तरह आई और आज मैं खुद भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि कुछ नया बात करेंगे। आज हमारे साथ हैं अतुल जी जो हमें बताएंगे उनकी डांस जर्नी के बारे में। सो we'll start up with Atul ji. Hare Krishna sir.
Hare Krishna.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you for coming on our show. And before we start, we would like to have your introduction.
So I'm Atul Naran. I am a dance teacher, choreographer. I enjoy life.
Okay.
And yeah, that's it.
And you're from?
I'm from Nasik.
Born and brought up in Nasik.
Born and brought up in Nasik.
Okay. So every person has their passion or like or not dislike, rather we will talk about the likes here. तो आपका ये जो डांस का पैशन है क्या ये बचपन से था या you got inspired with by some actors or somebody?
So I think from my family side, we've always been very entertaining and towards the performing arts, singing, dancing. As a career, it all started later, but passion for dance was the Ganpati dance
Okay.
and the wedding dance, which I used to do. Yeah.
Okay. So then, did you have to work on it or it just came up with your dance practices?
I mean, nothing comes without working on it. Nothing comes without learning. That is the reason I'm a teacher. I mean, I choose to be a teacher. So it all started from the 5th of September, which is tomorrow actually.
Okay.
And I was in 10th standard, that is 1996, when I danced for the first time.
Okay.
It was a Teachers' Day celebration and I danced. I had no idea that I'll become so popular in a day. This field starts with becoming famous.
Right.
And yeah, so, I got recognition and then when I was in 11th, my school invited me to choreograph for the annual day.
Oh wow.
And I did a good job. Till then I thought कि मैं ही हूँ, हमारे टाइम पे बुगी वुगी कंपटीशन आता था तो थोड़ा उसमें से देख के सीख लिया. कोरियोग्राफी का कोई सेंस नहीं था कि कोरियोग्राफी किसको बोलते हैं. Then I met couple of friends, when we were in 12th standard and we went for some competitions. Sukhwinder Singh was coming, so started dancing together. Till then, I had no idea that this is going to be my career because I was looking at getting into hotel management.
Okay.
Apparently, I couldn't pass my 12th. I flunked in my economics paper. That is, it had 4 days of break. और वही टाइम पे सुखविंदर सिंह आ रहे थे तो हम उसके शो की प्रैक्टिस में लगे पड़े थे एंड डिडंट रियलाइज कि मुझे पेपर में से 100 मार्क में से सिर्फ 20 मार्क्स ही आएंगे. बट यस, दैट चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. डांसिंग तो रह गया पीछे. देन आई स्टार्ट गोइंग टू माय फैक्ट्री. वी यूज्ड टू हैव अ फैक्ट्री एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयर्स का. देन इन फ्लावरशी एकेडमी देन केम अ सर फ्रॉम शामक.
Okay.
तो all my cousins, my sibling, they were in Flowers Academy. So वहाँ से एक letter आया कि anyone wants to join dance classes. तो my uncle, who supported me, his name was also Chandan.
Okay.
So he told me, why don't you join? हफ्ते में 2 ही दिन है. तो I said okay. Education तो चल ही रहा था. 12th पास हो गया था. First year में आ गया था. And I started going there and it changed everything for me. My sir's name was Akash Karnatki. And the institute was named Spin Academy. So that is where I found my passion again. He asked me to assist him. I became his assistant. From there the journey, factory छोड़ के मैं इसमें आ गया. And for 3-4 years I just gave my life to it. And that is where I learned how to teach dance. I went to Ahmedabad, Baroda, traveled a lot with him to different places in India. Taught a lot of students, learned how to do shows. So that is how I became a teacher.
Okay.
Teaching from the younger ones till the adults and the elderlies also. Then the time came that I had to now decide something for myself. It was 3rd year. Till then everyone asked me, ये इसमें क्या career है, इसमें क्या होगा. So I'm sorry, I'm jumping to the question. You didn't ask me, but
Yeah, please.
it's a set story, and I'm a storyteller also. I would want to say it that way. So in my third year, I had taken entrepreneurship.
Okay.
So, and the question from my family, from everyone was that, is this going to be your career? And I had no answer. Because before this, it was also cricket, जिसमें कुछ नहीं हुआ तो अभी डांस था तो डांस कर रहे थे. So my professor, I kind of copied a project, changed the name and submitted. सब लोग clear हो गए, सिर्फ मुझे अटका दिया. Because all my professors, my principal, they all knew that I went to dance. They called my parents and they also knew our teacher, our principal, because they were also from the same college. So I was called and I was asked the same question. Did you copy the project? And I couldn't lie anymore, so I said yes. So they said, we are giving you 5 days. You are in a field that is called performing arts. So your project on entrepreneurship should be on 5 people who are in the same field of performing arts. So in 5 days, I went through a Bharatanatyam dance teacher, Meera Danu, Kathak dance teacher, Rekha Tai, Savio guitar classes. Then there was one Jyoti ma'am who used to be singing, classical singing. And of course my sir, Akash Karnataki, was into jazz and western dancing. So when I studied them, I took interview with them, I realized that, I mean, if they have come through this path and they are successful today through their struggles, I think I can also do it, and I am in a better space. I have more knowledge now. Not as much as them, but I can still grow in this. That is how I decided that this is what I want to do. Then I started my own institute, but within 6 months there was an audition which came up, which was a musical called Bharti.
Okay.
So it was an Israeli production, and I went for the audition. I got selected, and from there the institute was handed over to my instructors who were working with me and a friend. From there, then I was in Europe, Middle East performing for the show. Now here I went through training with Saroj Khan, Ganesh Acharya, Remo.
Great.
So that is how I understood a different perspective of dance, because that was Bollywood dancing. So far what I was doing was Western. We were more into jazz and contemporary form. So when Bollywood happened, and sharing the stage with the best dancers from India, from the industry, it changed my entire perspective of how choreographies, how a show can be built. I came back and then I produced my own show, Lion King. From that, I got more schools. Then schools approached. So there is the school St. Lawrence.
Okay.
So they approached me because it's like a family school only. So they told me, why don't you do our annual function? So I'm talking, 25 years back. So we took 2,500 students for 4 shows. That was my first experience. It was a success. I made a lot of mistakes, but I learned. And then I again started traveling. I went to Jaipur, Udaipur, Bangalore. So, there were different multiple cities. I was training more instructors, and we were doing a lot of classes. And then schools started approaching us, because now the dance thing had got into the mainstream. So the annual functions started happening, and now when I look at it now, I think our main work business is schools. That is what we cater. We do their annual functions, we create the entire theme, and we generate value. Apart from that, I always wanted to do something more in the field. So dance movement therapy is something which I had heard of. I tried doing it earlier but couldn't. Then COVID came in, and this time I decided, I have to do it. So I got enrolled with, I got selected by Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So there were only 50 students all across India who got selected. So I was one amongst them, and the only boy amongst other 49 doctors, dancers, psychology students. So yes, that journey then proved me more that what I'm doing is right, and I can create more value into the society. So yeah, that has been my journey, and in between I have acted also. I still enjoy training people. I still enjoy teaching more than anything else.
Okay, so when you say about teaching, is it like that you create instructors, or they work for you, or how does it work?
So I don't create instructors. I share my
passion को
yeah
बढ़ाना.
yeah. So see, it's a passion driven thing.
Yeah.
You know, when we talk about passion, it doesn't happen by just saying it. You have to do it.
Yeah.
You know, डांस वैसे ही वो चीज़ है जो करने वाली कला है. देख के ज़्यादा लोग enjoy करते हैं, but still people who do it, it has benefits for them accordingly. The more time people give me, I want to share my knowledge with them. And you know, when a teacher says this from a field of which is not a structured thing, dance is not a structured thing. आप जो करोगे आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप बोलोगे ये डांस है. मैं जो कर रहा हूँ बोलूँगा मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है तो ये डांस है. So it is not a structured thing. So I try to get into a structure where basics are important. So for me, I still stick to the basic because if the basic is strong, everything else will fall into place. Because eventually we have to give the agency to the person who is dancing कि उन्हें क्या अच्छा लगता है, ना कि मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है वो करे. So here we are just you know, training them to be physically able to do the dance.
Okay, so how does this dance thing really help people? Like, you know, see, nowadays people are into so much of stress, right? And anything which you do out of passion is like a stress buster,
Absolutely.
right? So how does it help a person? Like, for example, I come to you, I have a thinking problem. How would the dance help me?
So I'll draw the attention to what is dance. Okay, we call it, when we teach dance, it is mind and body coordination.
Right.
So when I say that, that means mind comes first. You understand, you look at it, you analyze the movement, then you apply it to your body. But if we go right back into the times when there was no entertainment, people danced then.
Yeah.
The first thing that is movement. Okay, there was no language. The first language is movement. So through movement it all started. We've all understood this part कि बोलने में differences हो सकता है. Okay, body language जो हम जिसको बोलते हैं. So your body talks.
Yes.
So when I went through this movement therapy, firstly dance movement therapy एक बोला इसलिए जाता है, dance पहले आता है उसमें, and then movement, because it looks like dance. It is considered to be dance. People are stressed with dance also nowadays because when they see reality shows, they think dance ऐसा होना चाहिए.
Okay.
तो डांस वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़रूरी नहीं है, वो कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल है. अभी मैं रोज अगर विराट कोहली को देखूंगा खेलते हुए और मैं फिर क्रिकेट खेलना थोड़ा छोड़ दूंगा. सो वहाँ पे वो इशू आ जाता है कि डांस करने वाले लोग कम हो गए पर देखने वाले आजकल बहुत हैं. सो गोइंग बैक टू मूवमेंट, the process is not top to bottom, because any other therapy if you go to see or recreational activity, you apply your mind and then the body takes over. Here you have to let the body take over, the mind will change, because thinking is happening when you're not moving. The moment you start moving, your thinking changes. So that is what the formula, that is how the formula is applied. And it is really helping. You know, it is going to be in the mainstream. A lot of people are not aware about it. The thought comes from kids dancing. The moment they are teenagers, they stop dancing. Then the stress level rises. People say, oh, the 10th आ गया, 9th आ गया, पढ़ाई करो, कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है करने की. In fact, that is the time when they need it the most.
Yes.
There are so many schools now who understand this, and they specially ask me to come and do some movement with especially this age group, the 10th standard and the 9th standard, so that, you know, they need some area to release their stress. I heard you say before this that, you know, suppressed thoughts, suppressed emotions will cater. So similarly in this, your body keeps the score. You know, it is a nice book, and how it is understood is how much ever you try to distract your mind or your emotions, it will somewhere put it into your body.
Yes.
So you might have hair fall, or you might have some itching problem, or something that the body will showcase it.
What I understand with your talk is like dance is something, it's a flow of life, right? I would like to add on to this is like जब कृष्णा जी और राधा जी लीला रचते, so they were, you know, in that love phase with the dancing movements. तो उस समय से लेके डांस चलती आ रही है. ऑफ कोर्स डांस का अभी वो नेम टैग अलग अलग है, जैज है, व्हाट्सएवर, भरतनाट्यम, लेकिन जितना मैं समझ पा रही हूँ आपके टॉक से, ये आपको इटर्नली भी कनेक्ट करता है, राइट? बिकॉज आई हैव लर्नड यू नो समथिंग कॉल्ड नृत्य योग सूत्र. तो आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू लर्न भरतनाट्यम, बट फॉर सम रीज़न आई कुडंट. तो मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है, इसमें योगा भी हो जाएगी, भरतनाट्यम की. जब भी मैं वो स्टेप करती थी ना, आई यूज टू गेट कनेक्टेड डीप विद इन, मतलब आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस इन वर्ड्स द कनेक्शन. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इज, जब एक बंदा अपने इस डांस के पैशन को कनेक्ट करता है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्शन में भी जाता है. ही इज कनेक्टेड टू द माइंड, बॉडी एंड सोल. एम आई राइट?
Absolutely right. Adding to this, I think it is required more now, more than ever, is because I'll take you again to the back time, okay?
Yeah.
People used to dance in circle.
Yes.
अभी भी गरबा सर्कल में होता है.
Yes.
Okay? So that was a community activity. When you see any Adivasi dance, or in Indian tradition especially, Bharatanatyam, Kathak are classical dance forms which are taught. Okay? उससे पहले भी बहुत सारे folk styles हैं. Why do people dance? People have to start understanding, because it is therapeutic. It connects you, and spirituality, when you say, uh, all that clapping, all that dhol, tabla, and dholki, the spiritual meetings, the religious meetings also which happen. Of course, we've connected it to religion,
Yes.
but in every religion in India, there is music, there is dance.
Yes.
It is only because you can only connect to the higher power if you are connected to yourself.
Yes.
So the practice that I follow, it talks about self-revelation, and you have to look inside, not outside, for that.
Now, actually, what you said, it works in every area.
Absolutely.
अगर आप अपने आप को नहीं जान सकते, आप लाइफ में कहीं भी फोकस्ड या ग्रो नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड इन लाइफ. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ. लाइक ओके, आई डोंट लाइक डांसिंग, बट दैट डजंट मीन आई हैव नो अदर पैशन, राइट? बट टॉकिंग टू यू, आई फील एंड आई रियलाइज दैट डांस इज अ मस्ट, बिकॉज लाइक यू सेड, today everybody is going through a stress, and dancing is something like, you know, you just go with the flow. Like for example, when I see you teaching me, I will not think what am I doing. Okay, I will learn the steps, I will do the corrections, but I'm in a flow. I've forgotten everything and I'm just dancing with the flow of music, with the flow of guidance from my instructor, right? So you don't think this is the call for people to understand that just do it?
Yes, it is.
I love the idea that you're doing it for schools, because kids nowadays are just studying, or they're on the mobiles or the devices, which is not right. At least we played with mud, or we went to the neighborhood. Arts, they are packed, so at least when they're dancing, they come to a coach where they get inspired.
Right.
And like you have had a journey जहाँ पर देखिए, एक्चुअली हमें पता नहीं होता कि हमें क्या करना है. एक टाइम ऐसा भी आता है, बट कब वो पैशन हमारा एक करियर बन जाता है, कब हमारा लाइफ का एक अचीवमेंट बन जाता है. सो इट वर्क्स. सो आई गेस एवरीबडी नाउ शुड स्टार्ट अगेन विद दैट कल्चरल प्रोग्राम और व्हाट्सएवर देयर लाइक. सो दिस इज अ मच नीडेड कॉल फॉर द मोमेंट नाउ.
Yes, people now come, especially when Ganpati comes in or Garba comes in. I personally feel, don't just do it for the occasion. It is beautiful that you're doing it for the occasion. शादी है तो सब उसके लिए डांस सीख रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा है. उसके लिए एक डांस डायरेक्टर चाहिए जो आपको एक ग्रुप को साथ में कोरियोग्राफ करवा दे. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, एनी आर्ट फॉर्म, let it be singing or instrument playing or dancing is the best, I feel, because you don't need anything. And movement has to be done. Na?
Yes.
Ask the person who is in coma, ask the person who is bedridden, ask the person who is now 70 years or 80 years who is not able to move. How much are they missing?
Yeah.
you know, because movement will give you more thoughts, clarity. इसीलिए कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि लोग बोलते हैं घर से बाहर निकलो या वो जगह को चेंज करो. तो
Yes.
you know, the environment is within you. How much you move, you breathe. When you breathe in, you kind of have fresh thoughts. Don't only come to dance when there is an occasion. I think it should become a part of life.
Yes, I totally agree, and I realize that now. So, how do you work with schools? Like, how does it go? Like, how do you train them? Is it just for the annual functions or regular also?
Okay, so we have a lot of options for schools. The entire idea of starting dance with schools was because we wanted to make dancing easy to learn. And when we say easy to learn, that means it should be reachable, approachable. A lot of parents cannot get their kids to the studio. So where do we get the students? In schools. Now when we are going to start dancing in school, we cannot teach them Bollywood songs or item numbers, which a lot of kids nowadays listen to also. Insta Reels ka zamana. But our format is completely different. Just like how we say Bharatnatyam and Kathak are classical dance forms of India, Western styles mein jazz and hip hop and ballet are also structured very well. Do you know why it is called classical? Something that can be taught in a class
Okay.
is the reason why it is called classical, because it can be learned.
Okay.
It is not something that देखा और कर लिया. उसके लिए आपको एक ट्रेनिंग के थ्रू जाना पड़ता है.
Okay.
So this is what we cater the schools with. We have designed a curriculum which is age appropriate, style appropriate, which is not only meant for entertaining. Definitely dance is fun, but it prepares them physically that tomorrow if they go for a party, they will not be standing in the corner. They will be the star of the evening, dancing, because the rhythm is built, and the happy hormones
Yes.
is what happens when we do those once in a week class or twice in a week class. So that is the structured thing, the curriculum thing that we have developed for schools, and sometimes we do it as per their catering also. That is, if they want to, if a second standard student, if they are going through a project, so we incorporate those learnings in a dance also.
Oh, great.
Like a nursery kid is learning ABCD, so we've created an entire dance with ABCD.
Wow.
And the poems they learn. So we kind of do it with movement. Annual functions is again now has always been, but now it has become a prestigious issue for all the schools. That is the time when parents are going to come and the school showcases the talent. So here again, my foundation is create value out of anything and everything that we do. So we design the script, we design the costume, we design the dance. Our trainers help them, move around the stage, and we create like an entire show of 90 minutes. So this training is done. Some schools do it for 3 months, some schools do it for 2 months, so that their academics are not suffered.
Right.
Some schools do it for 21 days, and we do that also.
Oh, great. So you've covered almost all the schools here?
And I've worked with a lot of schools. Currently, we are doing around 20 schools.
Wow.
It's not only in Nasik, we have schools in Jaipur, Udaipur, Bangalore, Trichy, Dehradun. We just came from Dehradun. So yeah, there are multiple schools.
So what all in the dance you teach? Like you mentioned ballet, you mentioned kya
So we don't teach ballet per se. We do basics of ballet. We get the technique of ballet, because ballet is again a very different dance style. We do jazz is our foundation.
Okay.
Jazz dancing, because we consider jazz to be the father of all Western dance forms. It's linear, it's staccato, it has a structure, it can be taught, so jazz is our foundation, and then now new age dances are hip hop, Latin, contemporary, so we do all that also.
Okay. So when you cover these school students, right? Are they really loving it, and do you all actually see the changes in the child? in a way, like are they getting inclined towards the passion of dancing, or just because the school says it and it is doing it कि हाँ हमको एक duty की तरह करना है?
Definitely, they
Do
are
they get that
enjoying.
love for it?
Yeah, they really love it. See, there are going to be exceptions, okay, but our classes are designed not for the stronger students. Our classes are designed for the weaker ones.
Great.
So our instructors, my instructors, were my students, and now they have become instructors. So they loved it. That is the reason they have chosen the field.
Of course.
You know, any instructor in my class has not been picked up from somewhere else or come to me and कि हमें instructor बनना है. They have learnt with me, and you know they have been a toddler or a junior with me or a teen, and then after 3-4 years of learning from me, then they get into the learning of how to teach,
Okay.
and that is how they have developed. So I believe it's because they have loved it they are here.
Absolutely. And what about, other than India, what all have you picked up from the globe? Has it been some special courses you've learned from abroad, or you've done everything in India? Like, you know?
No, I've learned a lot. I mean, I traveled to US and the other countries which I was going, but in US is majorly where I learned tap dancing. I learned Latin, but Bollywood roots. I teach those forms here, but I still have online classes. I wake up in the morning at around 5 o'clock. I have a lot of students online learning in California. We provide them with choreography here. We send costumes from here, and they're performing there.
Wow.
So it's all, you know, it's a universal language, dancing, and I thank my parents for letting me do this, because it gives me so much happiness, and yeah.
I can see that happiness on your face actually. You know, when you're happy with something which you're doing, you look different. I mean, your expression speak about it. So, other than how does it feel like being an Indian? You're traveling abroad. People from abroad are learning from you. How does it feel?
Oh, it really feels great. It gives you that recognition for which you had fallen for the field. As I told you that, you know, when the first time I danced, and it gave me that fame. So that happens with every class.
Okay.
With every small moment in the class, when you give a very informative information, and you know, it puts that spark in the student's eye, and you feel ki wow, you know, you could really help them.
Yeah. Okay. So now my next question is, how do your parents feel now? Because initially you said that they kept asking you, are you sure you want to choose this as your career? And how does it make them feel?
I think they're very proud of me. This is what I can say. And more than anything, I think they're partners with me in the field which I am in. They're always involved. At the place where I'm doing it, the talent comes from I come from a joint family. So it comes from my aunts and uncles who always enjoyed dancing. The passion comes from there because they've been very hardworking. The place where I am right now is my parents' place. You know, we come from a joint family. And the first students that I had were my brothers and sisters.
Okay.
So they were the promoters. It's the family which, you know, motivated me to do this. And wherever they are now, they're all very happy. And till date, you know, my father is helping me with any work which I have. My uncles are helping. My mom still cooks for all my instructors.
Wow.
It's like a family affair whenever we want to eat. And yeah, you can imagine, you know, I'm in my house with a field where it's a taboo for a lot of people. I do it in my house. So yeah.
Great. So you're connected to the house also and to the work also at the same time.
Yes.
And how about your family? I mean, you're married, right? And with a son.
Oh yes.
So your son also has the passion of dancing?
I think yes, he is a better dancer than even me or my wife. As you know, my wife is equally passionate.
Okay.
she's working in Qatar Airways.
Okay.
So she stays in Doha. She visits for a couple of days, but she also, built a career in fitness after quitting airline. And then she again got this opportunity. She was very passionate about flying, so she went back. And our son is super talented. He's learning drums now.
Wow.
He's 7.5, but yes, we can see that he has that niche of picking up things and living with grandparents with a big structure. We don't want to right now decide for him or push him, but yeah, we are a very happy, passionate family.
How does he look at, how does he feel that my pop is dancer and he's well known, even my mom is like a fitness person, like how does he feel? I'm sure he would be expressing, Papa, I'm so proud of you, I love to dance like you, I want to be like you. How are they cooking?
These are scripted lines, nobody says that, but
no,
yeah.
my daughter does say, she always says that, Mama, I want to be like you. I said, it's okay, let's grow first.
So I think my son, his name is Arjun, he's still not understood. He keeps asking me कि पापा मैं बड़े होके क्या बनूं? तो मैं बोलता तुझे जो बनना है बन. तो he keeps thinking कि उसे क्या बनना है अभी तक. Well, we can see it through actions. More than anything, there are times when he's guiding us.
Oh wow.
आप ये करो, आप ये वाला गाना लो, या आप इसको ऐसे करो, या something he'll see and he'll tell me कि आपने वैसे करना चाहिए. So yeah.
So he's already into it.
Yeah,
Like I love to cook, right? So I've got a foodie daughter. She has demands every day. So father keeps saying, please stop demanding. Mom gets tired. No, हमें तो खाना ही है, आप कुछ भी कर लो. So I think it already comes in the child. I don't say कि उनको वही बनना है, लेकिन they learn from us.
Oh yes.
Every day you are doing the dance thing, you're teaching people, you're training them. So it automatically gets inbuilt. ठीक है, वो करियर के हिसाब से कुछ भी करे, लेकिन ये तो कहीं ना कहीं डीएनए में आना ही है. तो बल्ले बल्ले तो होनी ही है लाइफ में.
I mean, if it comes from my parents, I'm sure my son will also pick it up from us.
Right, it does. And what would be your message for people who just take dance, ठीक है डांस ही है.
नहीं, वैसे ही लो डांस को. डांस को वैसे ही लो. ज़्यादा, nobody has to stress out about dance. The entire idea is show up.
Sure.
Stop looking at dance a lot. Even looking at dance is therapeutic. इसीलिए कुछ आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनको लोग हजारों लाखों की टिकट लेके जाते हैं देखने के लिए, क्योंकि उनको देखना ही अपने आप में ही एक हीलिंग है, अपने आप में एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है. बट जब खुद कर सकते हो तो क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते हो? एंड देयर इज अ वेरी सिंपल सेइंग that you don't stop dancing because you've grown old. You've grown old because you've stopped dancing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so.
And I think people have that kind of fear, कि जब मैं डांस करूँ तो अगला क्या बोलेगा. I think that is inbuilt in everybody mostly.
Yeah.
Even I, sometimes I was not I used to be selected for the shows and the dramas and all in the school, but I was never confident. मुझे डर लगता था कि ये लोग कैसे react करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे. मैं तो बहुत छोटी थी, तो उस स्टेज फोबिया की वजह से मैं कभी परफॉर्म ही नहीं कर पाई. So I think that is an inbuilt fear, right? So we have to start working on that. Automatically flow आ जाएगा.
So you are doing your podcasting, interviewing people. You're already dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think you just have to find time to do it on the rhythm.
Right. So what would be your message for people? How can they take dance as, of course you don't emphasize कि आप इसको ऐसा काम की तरह लो, या just go with the flow, right? But what would be your message to the viewers?
Dance more with your family, and if in case you want to learn, look for a class. Nowadays it's available online also, but show up, go for festivals, celebrate festival the way they are supposed to be celebrated. Don't restrict yourself. A lot of times we think सही और गलत में फंसे रहते हैं, तो dance it out. Don't think about it.
Yes. So I would also like you to tell people that what all do you कैसे सिखाते हो, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन कहाँ है, तो ज़रा जो लोग देखेंगे वो आपके पास आ सके.
Yeah, so studio is based in Nasik in Ashoka Marg, the main studio. Then we have classes at Fravashi Academy, St. Lawrence, MET, and there's one more Muso Freak studio at Mahatma Nagar. Apart from that, then we keep doing a lot of pop-up workshops on Saturdays, Sundays for choreography. Then we have a channel where you can, which we just started and we are going to launch it soon. So we are calling it as nachle.in. So it's meant for Bollywood dancing online, especially for people who cannot move out of their house, they are working and they want to do it at their pace. So, we're going to cater that. It's going to be super fun, and yes, only when you join in, when you learn, we want you to give us feedback so we can make your experience better.
Yeah. So I think we've had a wonderful talk and lots of encouragement for a person like me who actually used to fear dancing. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है अभी मैं भी डांस करना स्टार्ट कर दूँ. Let's hope for it. So in short, I would always say, like in every show, I rather speak about it. आप अपने passion को जानिए और डांस को भी एक रूटीन बनाइए, because dance is a rhythm where you get connected. So मूवमेंट भी हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेस भी चला जाएगा और आपको गुड फील भी आएगा. तो आप अगर अतुल जी से जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो हम सारे डिस्क्रिप्शंस में दे देंगे डिटेल्स. So you can get in touch with him and be the rock star, because he himself is a rock star with a beautiful studio and his own experiences of life with dance. So thank you so much for your time. I'm glad that you gave us your valuable time and I appreciate it. With a short-term notice, you agreed for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I hope you get lots of people, and soon me and my daughter also join your classes.
We're looking forward.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Thank you.